Team, welcome. We are charged with developing a strategic enrollment plan for the Porter campus at Wiregrass. This short video is simply an attempt to provide a high-level overview outlining some of the preliminary steps in the process. First, our process in developing the document will be based on the Pasco-Hernando strategic plan. The SEM will be a transparent, evidence-based document with key performance indicators. As we see in the PHSC strategic plan, our mission is to be learner-centered, serving our communities, enabling students to achieve their personal and professional goals. In addition, our vision speaks to the importance of our being the region's college of choice, meeting workforce-ready community needs. The mission, vision, and other elements of the strategic plan will guide us in creating our SEM. Second, it is important to note that strategic enrollment management is a responsibility of all of our team. Students have many options in assisting them in their educational journey, and we must support all of them in achieving our enrollment goals. To create the SEM, we will conduct an environmental scan to assess our context. Essentially, we need to clearly understand where we are today and where we want to be in the future. This scan will include reviewing existing documents and information, such as historical enrollment data, county growth plans and economic strategies, consultations with key stakeholders, including governments and businesses, as well as faculty and students. Of course, we will review local high school graduation rates and projected graduations. As a part of our analysis of high school data, we should consider adding more dual enrollment options. We will also need to consider non-traditional students, as these individuals represent the fastest growing segment of tertiary entrance. Overall, these consultations could include the use of surveys and focus groups. For example, many SEMs conduct a skills gap survey and analysis of employers to understand what is required by them in today's work environment, but also in the workforce of the future. To bridge the skills gap, we could, for example, develop clear pathways for students and communicate these options to students, showing the steps to achieve workforce-ready skills. Also, in addressing these skills gaps, we must be prepared to support upskilling our faculty team to meet new and emerging demands. As we develop baseline data from the environmental scan, a formal strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats exercise will be conducted to assist in the identification of key specific actions, including growth targets. Finally, we need to recognize that a plan of this nature must be viewed as dynamic. Pasco County, and particularly the Porter campus region, is a fast growth area, and we must position ourselves to respond to changes in the composition and needs of our local business community and the diversity and skills of our students. Fundamentally, we want to build our brand and develop comparative advantage that is sustainable. In summary, exciting times are ahead for us here at the Porter campus at Wiregrass Ranch. In the next few weeks, we will conduct a series of workshops that will assist in building our strategic enrollment and management plan with specific actionable steps to achieve our goals. Stay tuned, an exciting opportunity for us to design our future.